Hi Lash Kings and Queens, it's Zach, your eyelash king, and I'm on an airplane about to land at London Heathrow Airport. I've just flown over from New York JFK because I'm going to Glasgow to attend the Scottish Hair and Beauty Awards, SHABA. This is the third year that I'll be attending, and the third year that Nova Lash stylists have been nominated. The last 2 years we actually took home the title of Scotland's Best Lash Artist, so I'm hoping for a third year of luck. There are 8 nominees, and 7 of them are my students and Nova Lash stylists, so let's keep our fingers crossed for another win. I'm going to take you along on this journey. Once we land, we're going to connect up to Glasgow, head to our hotel, get about 4 hours sleep, and then get downstairs for the award show. So I can't wait to show you around. I'm looking a little worse for wear after a couple hours sleep on a 6-hour flight, but you do the best that you can do. Anyway, I will keep you updated. See you in a bit.
Please take over now.
With jet lag, you never know when you're gonna be hungry, so I ordered room service. This should hold me over before the Scottish Hair and Beauty Awards.
So excited to be here because this is the most glamorous night. Let's take a photo.
Well, good morning, good morning. That was a fun evening. So SHABA 2018, huge success. Morgan from the Nail Yard in Edinburgh took home the title of Best Lash Artist in Scotland. This is a great win for her. She is an amazing lash artist. She trained with me about a year ago. She does classic and American volume, and what's super cool is it just shows if you focus on your skills, cultivate your talent, and really want to see success, you can achieve that. And I'm so proud of her and her team, and this is a really special win as well for Nova Lash. We have won the title 3 years in a row as Best Lash Artist in Scotland with 3 different stylists. So I'm super proud of my students. I'm super proud of the industry for recognizing the Nova Lash talent that's out there, because the technique is just so incredible. The products, as you know, are super high quality, and what's really great is we are breeding a team environment, and all of these ladies support each other, they encourage each other, we focus on building the business and the industry together. Well, some of the footage last night showed us having a wild good time, and I'm definitely feeling it this morning. I'm all packed and ready to check out. It's almost 11 in the morning, and I am super jet lagged still from New York. I got about 5 hours sleep, but I just want to get home and actually get back to lashing, which is really something to focus on. I haven't lashed in about a week, so I don't want my muscle memory to deteriorate even the slightest second. So I will be lashing this week. I will record some of that footage, and I'm going to share that with you. But something I wanted to bring up that I thought about as I was packing is this team environment. It's really important in an industry where people support each other. I know competition is great, and it strives, it builds success, and also it pushes you to be a harder worker. But what I really saw last night was this industry of beauty professionals that supported each other when they were up for nominations in certain categories, whether it was Best Salon Design, Best Barber, Best Sports Massage, Best Nail Artist. It was so supportive. Everyone was cheering for each other. People were congratulating each other. The environment up here is very family-like. And of course, these salons are in competition with each other. But when they're all raising their standards to offer really successful, high-quality services, it eliminates that attitude of who's better than the other and, oh, my services are higher quality than them. They really work together to provide the public with a choice of great service options in the industry. And Scotland is not the biggest country in the world, but what it has shown me is that there's a possibility to bring team environments into industries. So I really appreciated seeing that last night. And I spoke to a lot of different people that do a lot of different beauty services. And something that also was super cool was to hear so many people love lash extensions. I really struggled to see one single woman last night that did not have lashes on. Yeah, some had strips on, obviously, but they were still wearing eyelash enhancing looks. And that really proves that lash extensions is still the most booming in-demand service. I didn't see everyone with the fanciest manicures. I didn't see everyone with dark spray tans, but I did see everyone with eyelash extensions. And I commented on a few people's lashes. Some looked a little bit different technique than others, but everyone focused on their eyes because it is really one of the first things that you see, and your eyes really do shape your face and give off that first attitude of presentation when you meet someone. So I found that really interesting last night. So just remember, if you are in an industry, always strive for the best in beauty, always raise your standards, be focusing on health and safety and offering damage-free services. And what I really took home last night was not just the pride that Novalash took home the title for the third year and that Morgan is going to have an incredible 12 months of success in front of her. It was that family environment, and lash extensions are still the #1 most demanded beauty service, if you ask me. So I really enjoyed taking you to the SHABA 2018 Awards, flying over from New York. I am going to get home, take a little nap, and get back to work. So all of my lash kings and queens, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.